Yo, nice to meet you. How do you? We taking trips on the island.
Go back in, V. Let's go back in, V.
What it's come out, what it's gonna be, what I see, what I see, what I get like that. Hey! Let's get what I get like that.
Let's go. Ha, turn. Ha.
It's the Tiffany's and bottles and bubbles. Girls with tattoos feel like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own text like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. Make big.
What's good, Lavish Gang? It's your girl Tanya. We are back with another video. So time check, it is currently 12:11 p.m. and we are out and about. I've been implementing new habits into my day. So I've been getting up earlier. I started off being realistic. It went to 10 o'clock to 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Today I did not get up at any of those times. I got up at 10 o'clock because I had an eye doctor appointment at 11 and I was tired because I was up super late the night before. Which is another thing, a new habit is not going to sleep super late. So by getting up earlier, it means that I don't have to work as late. You feel me? I've been using a new app called Plan Bella. It's a planner app. I'm sure y'all seen it be advertised. A friend of mine, or an associate, I would say, put it on her story, and I was like, do you like it? Because I couldn't really ask nobody else, and like the reviews were saying like we're kind of like mixed reviews. But when I got the app, the stuff that they're talking about was not really a factor, except for the fact it doesn't have a login. That's out of the question. Anyway, I go based off of that. Like, I check everything off. It keeps me on schedule, make sure I get everything done. Because this week has been a very busy week. So this week is Lavish Islands week, boo, period. But based off of this freaking weather, that might be canceled and have to move to next week. I'm so stressed. But, I mean, blessed above nothing else. Basically, let me update y'all on what already happened. So this morning I got up, like I said, 10 a.m. to my vitamins, whatever. Then I had an eye doctor appointment at 11 a.m. So went to my eye doctor appointment. Now, like I said, it's like 12, probably 12:15 now that I'm sitting in the car. I have a wax appointment at 2 o'clock. All this is in preparation for the shoot that I have tomorrow, if it doesn't rain. But I think it's gonna rain. Nails is done. I got them done yesterday. I was gonna vlog that too, but yesterday did not go as planned. As you can see, I'm not in Felicia. I'm in a rental car, which is another thing I have to go do today, but I cannot afford to drive that car in this rain. So I need to get another rental car for the rest of the week. I was praying that my car would not be ready until tomorrow, but it's ready today. So maybe the Lord knows something that I don't know. So we're gonna go with his timing and his plans, not my own. I'm not gonna be mad about that. My bun is crooked, I know. I just threw it up like this last night just because I'm like slipping on my afro and whatnot. So I'm about to go inside, make some oatmeal really quick. I need to exfoliate for this wax. I've never gotten wax before, and so I'm nervous. Like I'm shook. So comment down below if you ever got it. And then after that, we have more errands to run. We need to go to Target because I'm doing 3 of my models' makeup. Lord. Oh, it's slowing down, so we gotta make a run for it. So yeah, we're about to run inside, make some breakfast, exfoliate, and then we need to head out to the wax appointment, which is at 2 o'clock. So we're finna go. Got a lot to do today. All right, y'all, so we got a quick little unboxing, really quick. I'm gonna show y'all. I just opened it because I have to be really quick. I have a lot to do tonight with these items, but I want to show y'all. So these right here are holographic butterflies to go in some lip gloss, period. So that's the one. This is the other box. I got jars to go for my wholesale lip gloss. These are, I think, they're 8 ounce, and this is a 12 pack of jars. So this is what they look like. And then I got some grapeseed oil, some avocado oil, and some castor oil. And then I also got some 10mm squeeze tubes. These are gonna go in my wholesale orders for you guys. So yeah, that's that. Okay, and then this right here is my compressor. I need this for my my lip gloss foam machine. So this is the compressor that I'll be using. So glad to have it in my possession because y'all, I real life need this to even get started on my production. So this is my mini unboxing. Nothing crazy. I have some more stuff coming tomorrow. So yeah, these are, I don't know if you can really, they're in there shining, y'all, period. So yeah, let's put this in here and I'm gonna get to work. We got some stuff to do, period. Period. Say what's good to my vlog. Yes. Yes. Say hey to my vlog. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Period. My model so cute.
I'm ready. I think my butt getting ready.